Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So how you can fix iPhone no service problem. So first thing, just try to remove your SIM card and reinsert again. So if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find here airplane mode. Just try to turn it on and wait a few seconds and just turn off. So after you can try to go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on reset and just tap reset network settings. So after just submit resetting network settings. So this is a way how you can also fix it. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here download and install, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.